AVA and Verbal Trainer at Vibedu International Education Private Limited. In this video, we are going to talk about GRE verbal portion. So here I am to give some basic information about verbal. As we saw before, there are two sections in verbal. Each section will carry 20 questions and total duration of verbal examination is 1 hour. If you are writing GRE, you should have very good control over your vocabulary for GRE verbal portion. GRE verbal carries 3 main topics, which are sentence equivalence, text completion and reading comprehension. These 3 are very easy if you are good at your vocabulary. There are 2 types of questions: multiple choice answers and single choice answer. Each of this topic carry different kind of question and different pattern is available. We can have a look in depth for each topic in our next video. So don't forget to watch our next video and please subscribe our channel to be best in GRE.